Hi lovely neighbor, welcome back to me on the Black Chef channel. On today's video I'll be showing you how I make this Hausa Aboki noodle style. Let's go. On our pan I'll be adding a cup of water. After that I'll be placing 2 noodles inside the pot. You can use any pot or pan you like, so in as long it can contain the noodles you want to prepare. So after that we boil the water for some time and we keep stirring it until the noodles dissolve. So keep stirring. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on this video. So after that we will strain the noodles from the water or the water from the noodles. As you can see as I'm doing it. So after that we'll be cracking 2 eggs. No, sorry, we'll be cracking just 1 egg. Actually you can use the amount of egg you want. You can use 1, you can use 2, and me, I'm using 1 here. I seasoned my egg, I added onions, salt, everything. I added it, and I added pepper. Actually the pepper is not much, just a spoon of pepper, and I mixed it together. So as you can see, after mixing on our pan, I added just little oil just for me to fry the egg. I added little oil. So guys, don't forget to please subscribe on my YouTube channel and like and comment. So after I pour in the egg and I keep stirring it, as you can see that I'm doing it, I keep doing it even like this. The aroma here the aroma here is top notch. So I added spring onions. I mixed again. So I added green beans here. I mixed it together again. Come on guys, neighbor, go and try this thing. I'm sure you will love it. I added scent leaf. Don't forget, I added scent leaf. So guys, after the mixing, I decided to add the the noodles, sorry, and I seasoned the noodles with the pepper, and then the pepper that is inside the noodles, and I added little seasoning. So I added everything together and I keep stirring, mixing everything together. Come on, the aroma here. See, if you are angry with if your boyfriend or your girlfriend is angry with you, copy this style of my noodles, prepare it, and I serve that person 1 cold juice. Like fast, the person will forgive you. So neighbor, don't forget to please like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe. As you can see, it came out fine. Yeah, it came out fine. I love it. Even this our last one tested it, and it confirmed. She confirmed it though. So please don't forget to subscribe. I love you.